Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Snipping Tool not opening on Windows 11 in 2026. If Snipping Tool does not open when you click the app, this method can help. First, open the Start menu and click Settings. Go to Apps and then click Installed Apps. Scroll down and find Snipping Tool. Click the three-dot menu next to Snipping Tool and select Advanced Options. Now click the Repair button and wait for Windows to repair the app. After the repair is complete, try opening Snipping Tool again. If it still does not open, return to the same page and click the Reset button. This will restore Snipping Tool to its default settings. After the reset is finished, restart your computer. Now open the Start menu, search for Snipping Tool, and launch the app again. If the problem continues, open Microsoft Store, go to Library and click Get Updates. Update Snipping Tool to the latest version and try opening it again. In most cases, repairing, resetting, and updating the app will solve the problem. That's it. You have successfully fixed Snipping Tool not opening on Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.